The Momentum Throttle is an incredible upgrade to the Vida E+. It lets you adjust speed and cruise without pedaling. Before installing, make sure you comply with local laws and regulations. Only use the hardware provided for assembling. To install, switch the bike off and remove the battery before disassembling the hand grip. First, find the throttle cable connection under the wire wrapping and remove the waterproof plug. Then assemble the washer. Reposition it with screws facing down. Install the hand grip and insert the rubber and plug. Then, connect the throttle cable with the connector and reinstall the wrapping. Make sure they don't move or rotate in any direction. Finally, attach the legal sticker on the bike. Check to ensure the grip is properly tight before each ride for safety. Not so hard, was it?